Hi, my name is Malissa Hubbard, and I'm the Living Lab Program Manager at Watershed Management Group. I'm here today to talk to you about seed saving. You know, a long time ago, before factory farming, we actually had to save seeds from all of our crops to plant the following year or season. You couldn't just go out and buy them in those days. Nowadays, it is easy to buy seed. But why buy something when you can conserve the natural resource yourself at home? A lot of winter plants will send up these big spikes once it starts to get warm. Those spikes are actually full of flowers and eventually seeds. Here you can see broccoli, which has these big, beautiful seed pods on it. Now, these seed pods are still very green, and while a bit weathered, the broccoli is still growing. So I'm not quite ready to harvest these seeds yet. Here we have some arugula stalks. Now these we grew at Watershed Management Group in our garden. And you can see they're these very, very long, they're 2-3 feet or more tall stalks with all these really amazing looking seed pods on them. Now, in order to get seeds out of a plant like this being arugula, it's a mustard seed, all you need to do is break open the pods, and inside you see these little bitty seeds. They look like the seasoning mustard because they are part of the mustard family. There are many different ways to harvest seeds, and of course, you do not have to harvest vegetables. Here we have brittle-bush. See a beautiful little dry stalk of brittle-bush that's already flowered and gone to seed. And once the seeds have dried out, they will pretty much just crumble in your hand. They are the easiest thing to collect once they are ready. And here you can see a whole batch of brittle bush seeds. You can also take seeds such as the ones in pods, you can put them in a paper bag, you can shake them. There are many different ways to harvest your seed. Let's look at a few examples of things that are very easy to harvest. Here we have globemallow. You can see here's what globemallow looks like after it's sent up its stalks and dried. Again, it just crumbles right into there. Do be careful though, because they can be caught by the wind. They're often wind-dispersed seeds. Here we have coriander or cilantro. These are lettuce seeds, which I have not properly separated from the rest of the plant. And here we have some seeds for different kinds of squash and more mustard seeds. If you're trying to figure out how to store your seeds, I will often just repurpose all kinds of containers from my house so I don't have to go out and buy anything for the seeds. Also take paper bags from the grocery store, cut them up, fold them into little sachets, little satchels, and then you can staple or tape them together. For more information on Stewart and Place, please see our website at watershedmg.org. And if you would like more resources on seed saving in particular, I highly recommend checking out Native Seed Search. They're another local nonprofit here in Tucson, Arizona, and they have awesome seeds available and vegetables. You can see my beautiful garden right now, mostly growing squash. I have some onions, a few perennial plants, a couple things left over from the winter, but most of these are plants that I gathered, or I should say I bought starts or seeds from Native Seeds. And now, of course, I'm trying to collect the seeds myself, so that next year I'll already be ready. Thank you very much. Goodbye.